The wait is finally over. One UI 8.5 is dropping this week. Samsung is now ready to roll out the stable One UI 8.5 update as early as this week. According to recent leaks, the company is expected to start pushing the firmware to Galaxy S25 series users beginning April 30th. The beta program originally started back in early December and has gone through nearly 10 beta builds so far, making it one of the most talked about and criticized testing phases Samsung has delivered. The latest versions introduce new AI features along with multiple bug fixes. As the update moved closer to its final release, Samsung also expanded testing to older devices. This includes the Galaxy S24 series, Fold and Flip 6, premium tablets, and several mid-range models. At the same time, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7 were among the first to receive the expanded beta access. Because of this, these foldables could also receive the stable update around the same time as the Galaxy S25 lineup. Still, nothing is confirmed until Samsung officially begins the rollout. One UI 8.5 brings noticeable improvements, including lock screen enhancements and new AI-powered features like real-time background noise removal in third-party apps. It also improves overall smoothness with better animations and refined app transitions. The update introduces new camera filters and improves quick-share functionality to compete with AirDrop-style file transfers. Some system apps have also been redesigned for a cleaner user experience. Although Samsung is testing the firmware across many devices, the initial rollout will be limited. The first release is expected in Korea, with a wider expansion to other regions happening in the following days and weeks. A detailed rollout roadmap for different countries may also be revealed once the stable update begins reaching users. That's it for today. What's your thoughts? And let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.